As society reopens, it's important that we continue to wear face coverings. Here's how you can make your own in a few easy steps with items you can find around your home. Old scarves, bandanas, hand towels work great. You can also take an old t-shirt by cutting it into a square. You fold it to the middle from the bottom first, then fold it to the middle again from the top. Then fold it again to the middle from the bottom, and once again from the top. Then place a rubber band around both ends Then fold it to the middle. Make sure it fits snugly over your nose and mouth. And it's just that easy to mask up, Houston.